Hello guys, it's of course Alexandrus, and today I want to talk about something special and really exciting for me. I guess many of you have been in a situation where you know that something was going to happen, whether it was in crypto, sports, economics or geopolitics, and you were just so upset that you couldn't take advantage of it. Like for example, you knew that Bitcoin would hit $120,000 this year, but you had nowhere to predict it and take advantage of it. Well, today I'm coming to you with BingX and the new EventX, guys, that will allow you to do it. And there is also a special promo for you, which we'll talk about in just a second. Before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that said, we can jump into this video. So guys, I want to talk about these predictions because right now people are trading real world events, and it's cool because you don't need to be super crypto savvy to take advantage of it. Let's say you have informations about sports games or you watch a lot of sports, then you might know whether Spain or other team will be the favorite to win this upcoming FIFA World Cup, for example, or other matches. Then you could be, for example, good in geopolitics and economics as well, and you might know whether oil will hit certain price or whether Bitcoin will hit a certain price by the end of the year, and that's something that you could take advantage of with new EventX brought to you by BingX, guys. First, I wanted to also talk literally few words about BingX if you are not already familiar with them, because they are a leading crypto exchange and Web3 AI company constantly developing and constantly bringing amazing features to the community, such as this EventX that we are about to talk in a second. So BingX, as you can see, has been founded in 2018, a leading crypto exchange. They have all the reserves that they need audited and everything, over 40 million users globally. They also sponsor football clubs, and they are pretty well known. They've been around for a while. They are a big exchange and definitely trustworthy as well. So that's why I decided to bring you this EventX today. So let's jump right into it, guys. You have the code. You can see the code in the right bottom corner of this video. And as you can see, there is free money for you waiting with this code, guys. What you have to do is basically use it. It is limited to 50 users, as you can see on the graphic, and then you will receive 20 USDT with up to 5x leverage, and you will be able to access it. And it's free money. Just take advantage of it if you want to, obviously, but I think it's really cool. So we are on the EventX page here. There is also this mystery box campaign that you can again take advantage of and get entries. It's all explained here. They also explain what is EventX and what is really cool about them. This is the only platform to do it. They allow you up to 10x leverage with it. Yes, you hear me right, up to 10x leverage. So not only you can take advantage of winning if you know the outcome, you can also take advantage of the price movements that tend to happen also in between of the events. So there is like different macro informations in between of the events and stuff, and it can affect the price of the prediction as well, which is pretty cool, because then your leverage could come in play and net you even more profit. So you have the explanation, very simple to understand how it works. The event contract's price reflects the market expected probability that the event will occur. So lower probability expectation, obviously the price falls, and higher the price rises. Then you also have those tasks here that can draw you entries and the mystery boxes. As you can see, you have a first time deposit of 50 USDT, very simple task here. First futures trade 50 USDT, first EventX trade volume 10 USDT. Super simple. You can also invite your friends and get more entries. And then they also have this comparison here between markets versus leverage, because you can obviously, let me show you, go to markets and then you just have your simple predictions or leverage, and I will show you both of them. So don't you worry. You have an explanation of how they are different, obviously. They are the industry first to do it with also 10x leverage, which is pretty cool. If you are an advanced trader, the leverage might be better for you. If you are a beginner and just want to try your luck, then you might be better off with markets, because you can't get liquidated as fast as with leverage, obviously. You have all the logics here explained and the fees, all that good stuff. Steps, very simple. You just basically enter futures. right here and click on EventX, and this will take you to this exact page. Then you pick a direction you want to trade with and you wait for the outcome. So they also have tutorials on that, super simple. There is all the event rules also written down here when it comes to the mystery box, the BingX event, which I will be sharing down below in the description of this video, so you guys can access it easily. So now finally let's go to the main part of this video, guys. The concept itself, as I said, surprisingly simple. Every market starts with one question and two possible outcomes, yes or no, as you can see here, for example, with a FIFA World Cup winner. You have like different markets, obviously, like economic trends, sports outcomes, you know. You choose the site you believe in, you open your position, and once the event resolves, settlement happens automatically based on the final result. But here's the important distinction. You are not simply making a guess, guys, and sitting here waiting. What you're essentially trading is the probability, right? You are trading the probability and the outcome happening. Market expectations move constantly, headlines appear, sentiment shifts, as I said. New informations enter the markets, so odds change constantly, and you can see it by the charts of each specific contestant here, in this case of the FIFA World Cup, right? So those market pricing changes together with expectation, and that's where EventX becomes interesting, because opportunities can appear before final outcomes even happen, right? Again, they cover everything, starting from crypto, economic, sports, up to entertainment and broader global trends, which means there is almost always something happening and something tradable. BingX gives users classic mode and leverage mode, right? And then those two modes we have here. Classic mode keeps things straightforward. Honestly, leverage mode is where things get interesting. Why? Because instead of only waiting for the outcomes, leverage mode allows you participation around changing probability movement itself, and they allow up to 10x leverage again. So the participation starts from around 1 USDT. Current EventX beta fees sit at 0%, guys. So there is no fees, okay? It's simple as that. You just open BingX, go into EventX as I show you, browse the markets, find something that you generally understand. Then you pick a yes or no, set your position, confirm it, and it's done just like that. And I will show you that right now. So let's put one on market, and then we will put one on leverage. So I'm going to predict that Spain is going to be the winner of this World Cup. Super simple. I have my 18 bucks here. So let's say I want to go in with this 8.28. I can go with market price, or I can put a limit price order. You have the order book here. You can check out the spreads, how much these contracts are selling for. If you want to buy market, as you can see, it's 17.6. If you want to place an order, you can place it at 17.3 or 17.4, for example. I will buy market because this difference is relatively small. I hit trade, and if Spain wins this World Cup from my 8.28, I will have 47 USDT. Simple as that. You have the confirmation, you confirm it, boom, market order is filled. Simple as that. Now, when it comes to leverage, you go here to the leverage section, and same market I will choose, FIFA World Cup winner, Spain, and then I can set up my leverage from 2x up to 10x. Let's do like 7x, confirm it, and then my 10 bucks I will again put that Spain will win. So effectively my order value will be 70 USDT here. So it's gonna be 7 times higher because it's leveraged. Although, if the price drops to 59, I will be liquidated. So it's very similar to your regular futures trading, but here you are basically trading on this particular contract price. So again, 10 USDT, confirm, market order filled. Just like that, I have my two positions open and I can evaluate them here, see when they end, how much the position is worth. I can close or reverse them as well. Very simple and easy to understand. BingX in itself, guys, is a really solid exchange. As I said, they also have their academy. If you are new, you can learn a lot of cool things here, technological based, crypto based, trading based, pretty much everything is covered here in their academy page. They also have a lot of cool features. One of my favorite ones is bot trading, where you can utilize bots and grids to get yourself again advantage on the markets, as well as copy trading, where you can copy the most successful traders on the platform and take advantage of their skill to your advantage. All this is available here in those section, bots, copy trading, and so on. They also have many rewards. They're really rewarding exchange. They also have a lot of events. And then again, those mystery boxes that I showed you at the very beginning, anniversary events. So definitely follow them if you don't want to miss any of those events, because trust me guys, BingX really does a lot of them, and it's cool because you can always take advantage of some free cash for you. And speaking of free cash, quick reminder guys, there is this code. First 50 users, 20 USDT, futures voucher, 5x leverage support, and BingX is running this mystery box that I also told you about. So don't forget about this one. Link is in the description down below, or you can also access it through their main page. So you can deposit, trade, invite, more activity creates more chances, open the link, register, activate the reward, be the first one or first of the 50. And yeah, if you are already into crypto, macro trends, and if you are already, understanding how narratives move capital, EventX is honestly worth checking out. All the links are down below, code is on screen guys. If you could trade one real world event right now, what would it be? Tell me. See you in the next ones. I will be also replying to your comments regarding that. And as always, my videos are for educational purposes only. Trading involves risk and product availability varies by region. Thank you so much for watching again, guys, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.